Hey everyone, it's Justin here again with Just Viewing. Sorry, I'm at the airport, so it's a little noisy in here, but just wanted to show you this beautiful airport. We're in, whoa, driving around on my scooter. I don't know if you guys can see that. Doing a little, doing a little traveling here. So I'm sorry I haven't been posting a whole lot lately. Doing a lot of travel, a lot of things going on. Real busy, but just wanted to touch base here. With everybody. I don't know if you can hear me now, so just want to touch base with everybody, out here traveling a lot. I'm in Indianapolis, Indiana right now, so we're actually out in the Midwest again, so did a little bit of traveling back and forth here the last couple months, between here, Puerto Rico, so a little bit here in the Midwest. I'm heading back to the East Coast now, so I'll be in Baltimore for Labor Day and Labor Day weekend. Then immediately heading after that, we're going back to Philadelphia. So try to get some updates on maybe some restaurants, some good spots, or just general travel. But I just wanted to show everybody a little bit of my travels and my experiences with that. So I normally show the resorts and stuff that we're at. Check this out. And that goal here in Indianapolis with the speedway right down the street. So but I travel a lot, and like I said, I was showing a lot of the places and the cool spots, beaches and stuff like that. So I don't typically show a lot of this. So going through here, I have my scooter. I definitely use it every time just because of the neuropathy in my feet and everything. So it makes me very wobbly and hard to walk long distances, so I do use it in here, but I just wanted to kind of show everybody that I'm traveling alone. I travel alone a lot, so just want to show you that it is possible. It's actually kind of cool. Say I'm the last couple years before all of this, sorry, I fixed my hair. I do that almost in every video. I don't know why, but just wanted to show everybody that it is possible to do this and travel as a handicap and everything by yourself if you do it safely. On here, it's actually kind of cool. Like what I was saying is you get to bypass all the TSA. You go right up to the front of the line. They scan you. Any type of wheelchair or handicap like that. When you go and book your ticket, down at the bottom, there is a spot on most airlines that you go in there and it'll ask you if you're handicapped. So a lot of people don't know this. If you go in there and you submit it that you are, it does not cost anything. It's perfectly free to do this. On there, you just show them that you're handicapped on there. You don't have to have any type of certification or anything like that on there. So you just go in. If you need extra assistance, the airports will help you with any of your travels and stuff. When you get in here, if you just walk slow or you're using a cane or maybe a walker, you can actually come in. And most airports, right as soon as you come in the front door, they have a spot where there's somebody there to assist you and have a wheelchair ready, and they'll take you through all the TSA, the checkpoints. Like I said, you bypass the lines and stuff. You go up to the front. Now you may have to wait a couple minutes, but you're with somebody with the airport, and they have the wheelchair and stuff to assist you, so to help you get around it a little bit quicker, because I'm extremely slow, so there's no way I would make this. It'd take me a week to go across some of these airports if I was walking. So I have my motorized scooter, but if I don't have it with me, that's the way I do it. And like I said, that's free of charge, so you just go through there and they'll scan you and everything and check you on there. They'll help you all the way to your gate. I actually had one, I think it was in the Midwest. I had the guy, I got off the airplane and I had a car that I rented through Turo, and it was actually out in the parking lot, so out in the garage, and the guy took me all the way in the airport wheelchair all the way to my car to meet up with everybody, and they actually helped me load everything. So it was really cool because I don't have a lot of strength or balance to do some of that, so the guy took me all the way out there and helped me. So once again, just kind of my little thing is don't let your handicaps handicap you. So if you got something to do, something you want to do, there's always a way. So what do they say? If there's a will, there's a way. So if you need something done or you got to do something, you know what I mean, don't hesitate to give it a shot. So you know, we'll keep you guys posted and keep you updated on there. So I'm gonna go in here and check in on my plane. It looks really busy down here, so I'm gonna have to cut this off and let you guys go. So keep posting, keep watching, and like, follow, subscribe.